Okay, so I found this weird glitch in Payback 2. So you have to select the truck and a map with tanks. So I selected Freedom City because it has the most tanks. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I have this app that detects if I'm in a car, and it activates these dots. And I'm not in a car. So yeah, it does that sometimes. So anyways, I'm actually going to turn these dots off. So like I was saying, Freedom City has two tanks right here and right here. And that area in here has two tanks right in just that other area, not in this area, but in that area there's two tanks and stuff. So yeah. I'm going to go to the area with just one tank. It appears that I'm next to it. So I'm basically just going to hit my truck until it explodes. It doesn't happen for some reason. Hold on, I'm going to restart and go to the other area. Actually going pretty fast with this one. Oops. Going to follow those dots. No way! Is that a tank? Wait, hold on.
Ninja car.
Oh my. No way! What? Dude! I think that was actually a police tank. I was only at 3 stars or something. Wonder why there's a blown up car there. And hint, it's the tank from earlier. Dude, I can't believe I was actually a tank actually spawned. Dude, it's crazy. Imagine just randomly seeing a tank that's literally blocking your path. Okay, so just get these tanks. So I'm just going to hit my truck. So I think you have to be really close to it. There we go. So it said nuked, even though I was not dead and was literally inside of a tank that could not blow up, I think. And it would not blow up in this game from just an oil tanker explosion. Tanks could not be that easy to break. I'm going to do that again if I can. I'm going to do that again. I still don't understand how somebody was in that tank and why they had to hit me with those projectiles. 'Cause I was just single player. Oh, see, that happened. So yeah. Also, I guess that was a bonus glitch. So yeah.